The Corvette guys, back at you with another video. Alright, so today we're going to go over the walkthrough about what this car has, what it's done to it, and what the plans are for it. Alright guys, here we go. We're just going to start from the front to the back. Now, this car has pretty much everything stock up front from the chrome emblems. Now, the only thing that is different on this car that is not stock is this little front part right here that I'm trying to outline. That has been painted black either by a strip or by an aftermarket sticker. It was chrome before, but it does not come black, so that is aftermarket that the first owner did. But I'm gonna replace it with a Z06 style front grille. Okay, those emblems also will be changed. The ones on the side and the back, those are going to be changed to carbon flash. And I will add the Z06 front splitter with the side winglets, as well as the side skirts and the Z06 style spoiler. So those will be coming here later. But other than that, that is pretty much what's on the front. Stock headlights, as well as side markers and everything like that. Now, the wheels on this, they're the stock wheels, stock Z51 style wheels. The base got different, but these are the Z51 style wheels. Now, the brake calipers are also Z51, I guess, type, because they paint them for those. But the front tires are 245 35 19s, 19-inch wheels, and the back are, I believe, 285 30 20s. Yeah, and the Michelin Pilot Sports. Now, these are the original tires that came with the car, but I'll probably be replacing them probably here soon. Y'all can take a look at that. All right, now this car does have tint. I did get tint for it. It was, I believe, 35 on the two front ones and 15 on the back. As per Texas, the legal limit for the front is 35. The back can be whatever. I didn't want it too dark though, so I went ahead and did 15 on the back. Now, the side mirrors here, they do fold in with some pressure. There we go. So if you're putting it in a garage or, you know, car cover or whatever on it, I guess, they do fold in for if you don't want them sticking out if you park on the street or something. But that's that. Now, these come stock with everything. You know, there's the vents, I believe, for cooling there. There's a bit of the back tire. Let's go to the back. Now, again, like I said, the owner took away the Corvette name that was right there. It spelled the Corvette. That's going to be black, as well as that one, but that one's gone. Now, this does have the Z51 spoiler. Since it is a Z51, this is a little bit better than the base one, which doesn't have anything on it, in my opinion. But that's kind of what it looks like there, guys. NPP exhaust, so you have the, you know, the selector mode. If you want it quieter or a little bit louder, that's what this car has. So there's that for you. Sorry about the lighting, guys. It's almost 3:30 and sun's already in one spot of the, you know, of the day. So this is the only time I could do it. But I'll try to get this side because this is a little bit more better lighted here. But there's that for you guys there. Now, this car, if y'all don't know much about Corvettes, but it does have the 6.2 liter V8, okay? It does put out 455 horsepower and 460 foot-pounds of torque. Now, because you have the extra NPP exhaust option, if you do, you get an extra 5 horsepower, so just bump it up to 460 and 460. Now, let's go ahead. I'll show you the back real quick, and then I'll show you the inside. So you'll just hold down on the key fob. There's your unlock. Activate start, horn, hold this button down. All right, now, here's what the inside looks like here. Don't mind my mess. I have all my cleaning stuff all scattered around, all my recording equipment, but I mean, you get a good sized trunk here or there for it. I went ahead and bought a sun visor for it. And you can see, you know, it's good space there. The battery compartment is located just below right in here, okay? And it does come with a little cargo net. I don't really use it, but the front top here, this part does come off in case you want to roll with it off, and it does have little ports right there and right here. You slap it right in there, and then it will just hold in case you want to roll with the top off. So that is that. Let's go ahead. Let me show you the inside here. So it's got a little port here. You just press on the pad, it will open up. Okay. Now, this being a 2LT car, Z51, it has red leather stitching. I don't know if you can see that right here on the door, and as well on the interior up top, all around there. Has the red painted side bolsters there. The seat as well, or sorry, bolsters. Little armrest there, okay. As well as the center. And you can see the stitching right onto the shift knob as well as the steering wheel. And you can see there it is again all along the dash there, okay. Now it does not have the see-through roof. I don't know what you call that, but it does not have that, but it does still come off, so it's all good. What this does have is not a lot of room there, but who cares? You know, you got your cup holders there. I have a little slot for the cup holders out because I don't drink in this thing. I just put my phone right in there. There's your cigarette lighter here. You got your controls there. I'll show you all those in just a second, but let me go around the other side. See the same exact stuff. Red side there for your elbows. Red leather stitching. Same with the seats. Red leather stitching there. Now, the seats are actually pretty comfortable, and if you look right here, here is the glove compartment. Gotta have your flashlight here, and here's the cup holder part. I don't really use it, so I have it stored. Manual and stuff there. Little microfiber cloth in case you want to wipe, but that's pretty much it, okay, for the glove box. Now, the passenger does have a own thermostat here to control the temperatures and stuff. You can see that there. And there's what the driver's side looks like looking from this way. As far as that goes, you know, if they get scared, they can always grip right here, in case we're going too fast. But that's pretty much it for the passenger, guys. This does have the LT1, the 6.2 liter V8 with 460 horsepower, 460 foot-pounds of torque. Now, try not to judge me. I know that the lettering is coming off here, it looks kind of bad, but I eventually want to paint these red and black, just like the accents on the car. But there's kind of what the engine bay looks like. I may even add a little decal. They sell the Corvette flags there to make it just a little pop out more, but there's the engine bay for y'all, okay. It's pretty clean. Like I said, this has only been a one owner car, 17,000 miles. Been in pretty good condition. And go around the other side here. Here it is. Pretty clean. Guys, so this is kind of what it looks like driving through, looking outside. Inside you can see the heads-up display there. Like I said before, there's the option to switch it here, there, the brightness. There's one there for racing, there, basic one. There's your gauge cluster there. You can see it like that. Pretty simple stuff. Now, I have gotten a bunch of stuff for the car, like these carbon fiber trim pieces like this one. This has already been added here. Y'all seen the video for that. Now, I am going to get the Z06 flat bottom steering wheel. Okay, that's going to go. This will all be carbon fiber, as well as the bottom here. This right here will be carbon fiber, as well as this. Let's see, over here, this, and that will be carbon fiber there. I think that's about it for pieces that I can remember. I may have a couple more, but now, you know, you got your climate control here for the vent, AC, heated and vented seats, engine start stop. Got a little screen here in case you want to put stuff in there. Okay, Then here's your main menu. There's your audio, music, back up, your phone calls, OnStar settings, yada yada. So it's pretty simple. All right, guys. I hope you all enjoyed the walkthrough of what this car has. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did enjoy. I will be making more videos in the future because I got plenty more for this car, and I hope you all enjoy. All right, guys. See y'all in the next one. Peace.